Last month I got a new project, and within 2 weeks I converted my client's website into a lead generation machine. And here is how I did it. First of all, I ran an in-depth analysis on the website. I gone through each and every pages, read all the copy, saw all the images, and go in depth on the website to find out what are the things exactly wrong on it. After analyzing the website, I created a proper documentation showing these are the mistakes they have, this is how it can be resolved, and these are the external factors which are affecting the website. Once I was done with the documentation, I created a plan for it, like how I will do it, how would be the designing process, how would be the copywriting process, how would be the complete development process, and how I will deploy the website, and the SEO also. So all this came into the plan, and after the whole planning and plotting part, I moved to the design part, where I have to create a perfect design according to the website theme, according to the website category, and according to the competitors the business have. This particular website was especially based on a cleaning industry, so I have analyzed the design of all the other cleaning services competitors and find out what they are doing right and how they are making their website or looking appealing to the eyes. According that, I have gathered the multiple components and added those components and improving it in the website so that the website design start looking competitive amongst them. After doing this design part, I moved towards the next step, which was writing copy. For writing copy, I have focused majorly on the customer persona. For that, you can refer to any of the other videos on YouTube, but in short, customer persona is creating a virtual identity of your customer. After creating a customer persona, I exactly know who is my customer is, what is the gender, and what exactly services are they needing. If you have a customer persona, it is very easy for you to write a copy because you just have to target that a particular single person, and which can result into a great conversion rates. After writing the complete copy of the website, I moved towards the last step of it, which was developing the website. I have the design, I have the copy, only the development was left. I gathered everything at once. I gathered the medias, I gathered all the required details for the website it was, and crafted a completely perfect website, which has a beautiful design, which has a compelling copy, which has a good offer, which is perfectly built on a landing page, which is perfectly built on a marketing funnel system, which can easily convert. Because on this particular page, I have focused more on whenever a visitor lands on the website, there needs to be something at the hook in the top, then there would be services, then there would be the benefits, then the testimonials, and then there's a call to action by which we can generate the sales, we can generate the leads as more than compared to other competitors' websites there are. After completing this 3-step process, I move towards the last step. I created the final draft of the website and ran a survey on it. I have given the website to more than 2,000 people to do a survey, to have a look at the website and see what is looking fine to them, what is not, what can be improved in it. And I have taken their answers, obviously the legit one, so that I can improve more on the website. After this survey, after improvisations based on it, I delivered the website to the client, and the client was really super happy. In this particular of the case, I just showed to the client for the final review, like what he thinks, what he not, because it was completely based on the marketing tactics, because it was completely based on the funnels, technicalities. So it has a might chance that client doesn't have that particular level of knowledge which is required to understand the complete thought process and the psychology behind the website. That's why he also just asked me, Priyesh, whatever you can best do it. So I just did it, and this is how I converted a website into a lead generating machine. If you want same results like this for your business website, you can contact me through my Instagram or my email. I would love to work with you, and have a great day, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.